Hi, welcome to Thursday's trade setups. Let's have a quick look, see what we can see. I'm going to start off on top step here. We're running very late because we had technical problems with the webcam. So all we've done is set the previous day high and low, then we'll drop back down to the 15-minute chart. Just going to mark up some levels. That's marked up, but we'll come back and check on that one. Quick check of the news for today. Bank of England, 12 o'clock. 1:30 today. USD news. I think we can set these trades now. We haven't had any trades on the top step account for a week, so it'll be interesting to see what happens with this today. Let's move over to the Alpha Capital. First things first, let's have a look at the GU trade from yesterday. If you were watching, I wasn't too sure on those two levels, but I entered them, which surprised me and ran to profit. To be honest, I forgot I had it running, and then I had a nice surprise where it hit TP. So a nice 3.83R there. And you can see the history down here, $1,149. First trade lost, $300. And then we gained $1,149 on the second trade, on the pullback here, all the way back up to the TP. Let's set GU up for today. Clearly on a big run up, so we're just going to be looking for pullbacks. 25 pips back down to that level. So those trades are set now. We have 3 long trades from the pullback zones here, giving us 2R, 3R and 4R should they pick up. Let's have a look at EU now. EU's a similar story. Let's set some buy orders. So that's the EU trades placed. Similar to GU, we're looking for 3 long orders from the possible pullbacks to these zones, producing 2.5R, 3.5R and 5.5R, depending which one is picked up. Over to UK 100. There's nothing we can do with this one at the moment because we're still in the trades from yesterday and the day before. These were the original 3, which have all broken, and we set the new trades yesterday as it was a new setup. Unfortunately, the one which was running in profit pulled back and took me out. I took out the next one, and we're currently in this other one, which potentially is going to lose as well, so we'll leave that one as it is for now. We'll look at the trend line strategy here on the H4. You can see we're in the current uptrend here. We should probably draw a new line on. There we go, so we'll look for pullbacks to the trend line. We have this area here, which could also be this area, so that goes hand in hand nicely. Should be pulled back to around about this region here. We'll have to watch that one and see what happens. Onto the 1-minute EU strategy, let's have a quick look. This is just marking out breaker structures on the 1-minute chart. So that would have been a potential short. If we're quick, we may still be able to set it on the MT5 account. So if we were quick, we managed to set that trade on MT5 on the 1 minute. This trade actually goes hand in hand with our larger picture for the pullbacks on EU and GU to then go long. So that trade's running now, we'll see what happens. And that's it for the day. We're running a bit late, so we had to rush through a few things and skip a few things off. Problems with the webcam, so sorry about that. Catch you next time, bye bye.